That's
All right, just relax. Oh, that moved nice. You hear that one?
Yeah.
Relax. That moved nice. All right, look this way. Look this way. Turn this way. We're going to go straight up. All right, don't worry. I'm really good at this. This is called an occipital lift. See right there? You're locked up. Right there. Look up, look up. That move?
It hurts.
That's all right. Look this way. That's all right. We got to unkink that. Oh, yeah. I get it? Let it out, let it out. Breathe in. I'm just distracting you.
Wow. Holy cow. That went pow, pow, pow. That went pow, pow.
Really?
Yeah.